Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download Instagram on your Android device, go to your Play Store from your app drawer. Make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once you reach to this page, tap on the search box at the top of the screen and type in Instagram. Once you do that, on the next page, a search result has been displayed. You'll be able to find the application displayed on your screen. Tap on the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Instagram is known as photo and video sharing social networking service. It allows users to edit and upload photos and short videos through a mobile application. You can also use Instagram on your website. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button and there you have downloaded the Instagram application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Goodbye till then.